The irony of St. Kitts and Nevis hosting the Commonwealth Caribbean Association of Integrity Commissions and Anti-Corruption Bodies hybrid conference, while the Integrity Commission is not fully operationalized, was the key theme of an address by former Prime Minister Dr. Denzil Douglas. He was speaking at the conference opening ceremony on Monday morning at the St. Kitts Marriott Resort, where he highlighted that the Integrity Commission is not properly operationalized in the absence of the relevant legislative framework.
Governed by the federal government, however, we have a great deal of work to do. The cornerstone of the Integrity Commission in St. Kitts and Nevis, the federal parliament, is the Integrity in Public Life Act of 2013, as was referred to by our Madam Chairperson a while ago. As originally envisioned by the former government under which it was enacted, the Act was supposed to provide a legal framework through which government can investigate corruption in public office. The Act included a code of conduct, a declaration of interest to be filed by public officials, and there were penalties for non-compliance, abuse of office, misconduct, neglect of duty, etc. The Commission was supposed to be able to take legal action when the Act's stipulations were violated. However, though chaired by the very able former Judge Pauletta Lands, there is no escaping the fact that the current outgoing coalition government has refused or failed to properly operationalize the Commission.
Dr. Douglas also berated the government for what he described as them doing away with the Public Accounts Committee.
The current situation of St. Kitts and Nevis has not done away with our country's Public Accounts Committee as originally legislated under the present Constitution. The Public Accounts Committee has been done away with under that legislation originally, instantly stripping the country's parliamentary opposition of its crucial oversight responsibilities to ensure that government funds are actually being spent as authorized by Parliament.
Attorney General Vincent Byron, in his address, said the issues raised by Dr. Douglas about the Public Accounts Committee were inaccurate and assured that St. Kitts and Nevis is committed to matters of public integrity.
My right honourable friend would have been in a position to have been chairman of the Public Accounts Committee and to carry out the functions as designated by this very comprehensive piece of legislation that can be found on our website, the Law Commission website, that is available for all of those. I want to suggest that we in St. Kitts and Nevis have followed the rule of law, that we pursue the whole process of good governance in a very formal and strict way. And we are confident that we are a proper and true party member of the international community who adhere to the principles of the rule of law and of good governance.
The theme of the 8th annual conference is controlling corruption. Preventative mechanisms work better than reactive measures. I'm Andre Huey for SKN Newsline.